Go to Select, Subject. Go to Select, Modify, Smooth. I use a radius of 5 pixels, but depending on your photo you can use a different amount. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the subject in a new layer. Click on the FX icon, and select Stroke. I use a size of 25 pixels, but you can also use a different amount. Use these settings. Click on the plus icon next to Stroke, and select the bottom stroke. Add the same amount to the size, so in this case it's +25. Change the color. Add another stroke and select the bottom one. Add the same amount. And change the color. Repeat this process. As you can see, it's not possible to add more strokes. Right-click on the layer with the strokes and select Rasterize Layer Style. Click on the FX icon, and select Stroke. You can now activate the strokes again. And that's how you create a subject with multiple strokes.